Hello to my over 100 lovelies. How are we? Um, Here I'm a little agitated. And I'm a little under the weather. You can probably tell. I barely even tried. But I wanted to get this video out. Number one, because we've got the giveaway going. And number two, I've been telling you about it and I've been really excited about it. So this box proves that I need to be doing what I'm doing. I watched somebody that there's a few unboxers that I personally like to watch, and I watched a couple weeks ago one of the people that I like. She unboxed this amazing box, and she was gifted this box, right? And I'm not hating on her. I hope that I didn't say in one of the last videos who it was that I seen, but she was gifted this. I was definitely not. I definitely bought this. And that's why you need, if you're watching somebody unbox something that you're thinking about getting, make sure to find out if it's gifted to them. If it's gifted to them, then find somebody that has paid for their box. Because what she got and what I got are two totally different things. Um, so yeah, let's unbox this. And it is the mystery gift box. And I went back and I made sure before doing this video that it is the same box. It 100% is, because she's got a link to it in her description. And it took me exactly to where I ordered from. This was $100. And when she unboxed hers, she pulled out one badass thing after another. I was like, whoa, I've got to jump on this train. I was so super excited. And yesterday, when the box came in, I was at work and I had my man take a picture of it. And it was like this little box. And I was like, wait a minute, because the box that I seen was like big. So, you know, um, yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So I got the beauty box. And it's their advertisement is that you're going to get uh beauty stuff packed to the top, and it's a list stuff. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I already pulled this out. I just wanted to see, like, she got an Adidas shirt. I got an extra small little dress that I will never be able to wear because, number one, I'm not going to get into excess. So that'll go into the giveaway if it actually fits whoever wins the contest. You can definitely have that dress. It's a cute dress, don't get me wrong. And have you ever heard of uh Tucker Nuck is the brand. Okay. So next we have a Michael Kors phone pocket sticker. That's the kind of things that I was seeing, and I was like, wow, it's not just beauty stuff, like it's, cool stuff like this. But it was a lot better than that. Okay, so next we have Almay biodegradable micellar makeup removing pads. Um, Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. Um, Not a big fan of oils. I liked Charlotte Tilbury's oil. Um, but I'll try that. So next is Dior Fix It Color. This is a sample thing that you can walk into any Sephora or Ulta and get for free. So, all right. Next is a NARS. I think it's a eyeshadow stick. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow stick. I like that packaging. So that's cool. I'm really starting to get into the sticks. Okay, so next is I'm so agitated because I was like, I want my next video. I want to be high energy. Like I feel like my energy's been kind of falling off, and I'm just so agitated with this box because I spent over $100 on this box, and it's just something. I get this stuff in my boxes that I already get. Like they make it sound like it's going to be something totally different, and it's not. Same. So Southern Belle Dry Bar Root Lifter, LA Girl Pro Concealer, which that color looks too dark for me. I like this. I think it's eyeshadow. It's NYX or NYX or whatever. How do you say it? I'm so mad. So mad. But that's why I do this, because there's a difference in what people are gifted. I'm telling, like FabFitFun, I see people get the most amazing stuff, and then I get my box and it's full of garbage. Like literally a picnic thing. Like it's just ridiculous. Okay. I don't know why I'm trying to open this. Like it's probably not. Yeah. Is it eyeshadow? Come out. What is it? Is it eyeshadow or is it? It's glittery. Is what it is. It just says NYX pigment, so I guess that it's eyeshadow. Okay, so Fresh Rose face mask. I mean, this is just what I get in all of my other boxes. It's the same exact stuff. I'm not going to open it because I'm just going to put this, probably all this stuff is just going to go in my giveaway. Eco Fabulous Blush Jewels from Camilla. Or I don't know if it's from Camilla. I don't know. So it's oh sorry, little box, and I guess the eco-friendly, I guess like you take these out and you can replace them, and that's kind of cool, like a refill. That's cool. All right, so next we have Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I've always kind of wanted to try this. And you know, it's always in like the freebies on Sephora or Ulta. Like you can get it. And I've always considered getting it, just never got it. I've always went with something else. And then Pixi Skin Treats Rose Flash Balm. I like balms. Like I'm almost out of my Truly balm. This glass skin. So this is last but not least. Pair of earrings. Kendra Scott. And I don't wear earrings, so I mean that even if I wore earrings, like this would not have made the box any better. Like I'm just so mad at myself for not doing better research. Like this is the second time that I've been burned because I haven't done enough research. So that's why I do this. That's why I am here, because people need to see, honest to goodness, like this was not gifted to me. This is what I bought. This is what I spent $100 on. Do you want to spend $100? Would you spend $100 on that? Probably not. So yeah, would I recommend that box? No, 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 no. Number one, whenever I placed the order, it took days before I reached out to them and was like, hey, shouldn't I be getting tracking or something on this? And they were like, well, we don't even have an order for you. So I had to go in, find all my receipts. And thank goodness I went through Afterpay, because it makes eating this $100 over $100 like a little bit easier, because it's broken down into 4 payments. So thank oh I just I'm telling you guys, whenever you're going to buy something that's over 100, do your research, make sure that it's something that you might see somebody unbox it, but make sure it's not gifted to them, because I don't care. You're going to be biased. You're going to be like, yeah, like, yeah, this is great, because you want to keep getting that stuff for free. That's just honest. That's just honest. And I'm not hating nobody for getting free stuff. Like, influencer, yeah, influencer, that I got a free bed from them. Like, the bed was great, but in order to keep getting that free stuff, you kind of put out there like, yeah, it's amazing. I'm not hating on that. I'm really, really not. I'm just trying to put out an honest, like, this is what I got, and it's nothing compared to what she got gifted. So you cannot go by what somebody's gifted. I mean, I'm sure there are some. I think I've seen like Ipsy's pretty good about what they gift is the same thing as what, you know, everybody pretty much gets the same thing. So you can kind of go by that. But something like this, you really need to do your research on anything new that's coming out. Because this, I'm pretty sure, is new. It's new to me. And yeah, um, no, I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to shut up now. I'm sorry that number, like I said, I'm under the weather and this box sucked. So I'm just not happy. But Thursday we'll do the kitty race. You guys make sure to comment. Let me know. SpongeBob bag. I'm happy. I'm seeing people actually saying that they would like the 2 bags instead of the bigger SpongeBob bag. I mean, the SpongeBob bag's awesome, but like, I meant to have them here so I could show you. But y'all have seen them in my other videos. Like this, bam. One of these little Truly bags and one of my Lorella bags is what, either the big SpongeBob bag or a little Truly and a little Lorella bag full. And they're both going to have the same amount of products in it. So it doesn't, that's not gonna, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you guys. Thank you for all of the subscribers. I love you. I'm gonna shut up and I'll see you in the next. Bye.